Okay, so there's a few things that we need to do in order to make the handoff from LinkedIn prospect to our HubSpot CRM happen seamlessly. Haha. So in our account, there's some instructions. Hopefully you've gone and created your Seamless account. They have a free tier. So I think that they limit it at 250 total prospects. That's not going to be a problem for us per se, because our CRM mostly is going to be within HubSpot. So a lot of the stuff that we're going to be doing interaction-wise is going to be happening in HubSpot. So you can actually come back and remove prospects if you reach that limit. If you want to sort of save it in both, then you can obviously upgrade to another account. I'm not getting a referral or anything off of this. Obviously, there's no link for a referral, although I probably should. So I'm in the settings page, and there's a couple things you want to do. Watch the demo video. This is sort of replacing that in some sense. One, you're going to want to add to Google Chrome. This will open up your Chrome Web Store. I've already added it. Follow the instructions there. So it'll add it to this up here. So this is what will show up. Oh, it's not showing up here. Maybe there's some websites that it doesn't show up on, that it's whitelisted on. Okay, well, I'll show you that in the next video. There it is. Glitches. So it'll look like this, and so this Chrome extension will come out. I don't actually interact with this all that much because it overlays onto LinkedIn without issue. What we're concerned with in this video is adding it to our CRM. So if you click this, you have three options right now for seamless integration. This is going to be focused on HubSpot because that's our CRM of choice. But if you're using Salesforce or Outreach, those are options with Seamless as well. So you don't have to be, pigeonholed by my selection. Although you won't necessarily be able to follow. I imagine that those have a similar experience to being able to sort of create sequences, because those are dedicated CRMs. So I imagine that you'd be able to do something similar to HubSpot, but for the purposes of this, you won't be able to follow exactly if you don't do HubSpot. So selecting HubSpot, what we want to focus on next, so follow the instructions obviously to integrate that. It's going to have you sign into your account and then it'll be integrated. So real simple stuff. The CRM setup is where we want to make sure that we're doing this properly. So my account is obviously already integrated, and so you're able to go down here and so on the contact, because we're going to be adding contacts in from Seamless, we want to match. So how this works is that there's data fields on LinkedIn that is being sent from LinkedIn into Seamless, and so we want to add this from LinkedIn, and we want to match these data fields from Seamless AI to HubSpot field. And so what happens is LinkedIn goes, okay, send this to Seamless, and Seamless goes, okay, here's your integrated CRM. I'm going to send this and match all of the different data fields. So the company name that the person works for, their location, their country, and all. I've created a document that you can get in the resources that has these that I think that are sort of important data fields that you need. So you can have those there, and then you can create these, and you don't have to come back to this video and try and pencil in and look it over. So last name, first name, obviously their profile URL, so that you can have a reference again. Their phone number, obviously, and job title. So just important things. And so what you want to do is, if you wanted to add different ones, so just to show you what it looks like, you can search in here. So it's really simple stuff, right? So if they have different business email, company locations, there's all sorts of different stuff, and it'll gray out stuff that's already been created. So as I said, this acts as a go-between, right? So once you've done that, you can select this, automatically import to HubSpot, yes. Make sure you save that, and once you do, every time that you prospect from LinkedIn, Seamless will then go find that contact and then send that over to HubSpot, ready for us to see to send them into the sequence. It doesn't automatically send them into the sequence. We don't want that, obviously, because we want to be able to personalize that stuff, and then we'll go over that in the implementation portion of this course. So yeah, there you have it.